Installing WordPress with Godaddy correctly is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log in to your Godaddy account and navigate to the My Products page. Locate the hosting account that you want to install WordPress on and click the Manage button. In the hosting account dashboard, click the Install WordPress button. Select the domain name that you want to use for your WordPress site and click the Continue button. Choose the WordPress installation type, manual or automatic, and after that, click the Continue button. Then, you will need to provide the following information. Firstly, site title that will be the name for your WordPress site. Then, a brief description of your WordPress site. The username for your WordPress admin account. Next, a strong password for your WordPress admin account. Your email address for the WordPress admin account. Next, click on the Install Now button. Once the installation is completed, you will be provided with a login link to access your WordPress site's admin dashboard.